You're getting the VC++ runtime package was not installed successfully error when trying to install or launch EA Sports FC 26 on PC? In this tutorial, I'll show you several solutions to repair or reinstall the required Microsoft Visual C++ components so the game can start correctly.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.